Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the runtime and source for your data. Mount Google Drive now with Drive. Mount /content/drive or clone a GitHub repo if the dataset lives there. This gives a persistent path. Once done, install any missing packages using pip install and restart the runtime if prompted so that dependencies load correctly. Make sure to set the working directory to the dataset location with %cd. This prevents path errors later and speeds up iteration when you run data loading cells. Now you load and immediately verify your dataset so you know it's usable. Use Pandas. Read CSV for tables or TF. Dataset for streaming large files, specify correct separators and encodings. Once loaded, check shape, dtypes, and run df head to inspect sample rows, then run basic value counts or describe to confirm distributions. If files are compressed, unzip or use Python's zip file to stream without full extraction. These checks prevent hidden parsing errors. Finish by saving process data and setting reproducible paths so you can rerun experiments. Write cleaned CSVs to /content or your drive, and consider using chunking or generators for very large datasets to avoid memory overload. Make sure to seed randomness and document preprocessing steps in cells comments. If something goes wrong, first recheck file paths and drive mount status, then confirm file encoding and permissions. Many failures come from simple path mistakes or locked files, so verify those before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.